Security is a top priority here. With 24/7 monitoring and advanced technology, we feel safe knowing that Midstream Security team is always on duty.
Midstream's commitment to nature is remarkable. From beautifully maintained green spaces to eco-friendly infrastructure, it's a community that values sustainability.
Living here means having reliable infrastructure that supports a great lifestyle. Everything just works. Midstream, where modern infrastructure meets quality living every day. Welcome home.